Welcome to another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam.
How you doing, Damp Sam here on another job? Well, same job from other video. You're in for a treat today. So this is a new build. It's not new build, but it's an existing building that's got single brick, single block, 4-inch block wall. And I'm just going to show you how to do this wall with insulated boards. I've already put dots on that board, as you can see them. So I'm just going to put some Insta stick on it, and then we're just going to get it up and sprag it. Beauty of doing it this way, obviously we're not, well, these walls are level anyway, so it's just a question of sticking boards on, getting them on, spragging them for a bit, and then going on to the next one. Acrylic will hold board off foot wall. It's an insulated board, it's Thermaline, special Thermaline boards that's got a bigger U value than cheaper ones. So I'll get cracking and you can just watch me. So what we've done is, it's a bit cold today, I've put these in some hot water. So these ones go up in between acrylic dots. So just in random places. Got his props ready. I'm just going to stick this board in place now. I've already cut. We'll go out. So what I've done is just put these on joists, and that'll just hold it in place. And that's flat to the wall. So I'm just going to put a couple of dots on the forms underneath. I'm going to leave a gap where these bits of that are. The reason I'm leaving a gap is to allow air to flow and then out the top. So that is your piston. So then, you don't have to set it in there. Leave it in place. You've got that other acrylic thing here. Yeah. You gonna get done? Still just slice that up at the top then. You do that and I'll do this one. That easy. And dots we do it for. Just as big as dots we do with acrylic. There's a piece of plastic wood. A piece of plastic wood. Yeah. Plastic wood. You've got it plastic wood. I need it's normal. Yeah.
that with it.
I think that. The bag out here.
Yeah.
Right, probably right. So I put these in warm water and I think it's
Expanded this one a bit, doesn't it?
just take them others out. Set this one down. Just pop that just over there with that perpendicularly. And then just a bit closer. That's about it. I might want to go a bit further out. I think it must be right there. So. Yeah, that's it. Got another bit of wood. You got any others?
Yeah, but it didn't extend, does it?
So with that one. So with that one. That's because I just pushed the wood in. That other thing there. Yeah, I've got it. So that's how you stick boards onto straight breeze block walls. So they're all in place, ready. I've just got cuts to do now, and you've seen how quick it is. If there's ever any penetrating damp, I don't think there will, because we're going to have a different system on outside, but because it's got acrylic dots on and Instastick, there's going to be no bridge. You've got a cavity left behind board, so any ingress that goes onto it, they're going to be on blocks that comes in from outside. I mean, the 4-inch concrete blocks are quite dense, so unless there's something actually dripping against the building, it's not going to come in. But it can happen because gutters can leak and stuff like that. But what'll happen is that ingress will just evaporate, so you'll not see it on inside. But like I said before, they're going to sort outside out anyway. Cleaner than using drywall, less mess. With drywall you get, well, you won't get it with these because they've got a vapor check on, like, but on normal plasterboards you get like a circular pattern staining on it where dots are, and that can cause issues in future. But it's just a quick system. It's a really quick system. We're going to do all the walls now. When this is finished, it's going to be like a lovely warm room. So that's just how we do it. 5-10 minutes with these on, then they can be took off. Instastick will have stuck, and then they can be skimmed. So I'm going to crack on with the rest of it. So enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, and watch out for some more videos.
Thanks for watching another edition of Damn TV with Damn Sam. Please subscribe and please like the channel.